Okay, in addition to what I wanted to add, so this is an add-on to the video. I do really like the green spacer they put in there. That's pretty nice. And I do like the aluminum anodized. Let me make sure I got that right. Sorry about that. Anodized aluminum handle. I like the anodized aluminum handle. And then once again, I like the green spacer there. I can't say enough about this, the kind of knives that come like this. I just love, and there's no wiggle room at all. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's gonna stay there. I talked before earlier in the video, some knives got that metal that you can move to the side and then bring it. But I love that you have to push down on a lock to release the blade and fold it like that. But yeah, I love the fact that the blade comes up all the way here and then is supported by this. I like that. And then watch as I as I put it right there, you'll hear it positively lock. And then like I said, I don't feel no wiggle room there. So that's real nice. And once again, I really do like the profile of it. So there's some other knives, other folders that have the same thing, like this thing right here. Offhand, I think of Spyderco, so. But I like the buck knives, put this here. So I have seen Nothing Fancy put those ties right there, and it creates like a little plastic thing that you can push. So I don't think I've done that. With any of my other folders, I haven't done that. But I think I will enjoy carrying this in EDC from time to time. I love that I can hear it lock. So like I said earlier in the video, this was $32, and then it went on sale to $27 and some change. And then it was the last day at Menards to throw stuff in the bag to get 15% off. And this is the only item I wanted to grab at the time, so I threw it in that bag. And so they took another $4 and some change off the knife. And after it's all said and done, it came to $24 and some change. So similar knives to its class are in the $30 to $40 range. So $24 and some change is pretty nice for a nice folder like this. So it's kind of nice, really. I like the clip. And then like I said, I really like that green that they put right there, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, I wanted to add that to addition that this ain't going anywhere. It's clearly locked in place. So that's why I really like that. And I almost prefer it, the fact that you gotta push this down. So I like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my knife. So, like I said, other knives that have a similar style can really start to go up in price. Some of the things that make them go up in price is what handles they put on them and how this has a little bit of intricate stuff here. So, and then there's jimping right there. So yeah, and I love that there's so many variety of knives. But yeah, I'm glad I got this one on sale at Menards. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And like I said, I like the profile of it. yeah, comment down below and tell me what you think of this buck knife. And if you have a buck knife that's just like that, comment down below also and let me know what you think of your buck knife folder. So, once again, this is the 722 Spitfire, and Buck Knives has this classified as a recreational folder knife. So, yeah, I can see it as a nice EDC knife. So, I can't brag enough about that positive locking that I hear when I put it in its lock mode. Yeah, because I really feel like it's not going to go anywhere. So, and there's no wiggling at all, so pretty solid in there. And this is made in the USA. And once again, this is made by Buck Knives. And it's the 722 Spitfire, which I think is a cool name for a knife. 722 Spitfire folding recreational knife. So I hope you guys and gals are all doing well out there. Please comment down below on the rest of my videos. Drop a comment down here. Tell me what you think of this buck folding knife. So, yeah, I hope you guys and gals are all doing well, and I'll talk to you guys and gals later. Take care. Peace. Later, Garys. Have a good evening. Peace.